Thank you for joining the Networks for Purpose. We are thrilled that you have taken the time out of your busy day to join our online community. We recognize that in order for us to have the systems change that we are all passionate about, we need to work together. And it was that principle that prompted the establishment of Networks for Purpose. This is an online community that is bringing together networks of networks, or collaboratives of collaboratives. So the idea is that on one platform, like-minded people from a variety of different communities and a variety of different initiatives will have the opportunity to share information and get inspired by each other. There's a lot of great work happening out there, and we are passionate about making it easier for you. We recognize that we all have full-time jobs, and on top of our jobs, we are participating in a collaborative. So we have gone through great lengths to make this as easy as possible so that we can not only have great and inspiring conversations with each other, but we can share those conversations with a collective community and having an exponential impact for everybody. So we have an online platform on your desktop, and we also have it on our mobile devices. So we are encouraging you to contribute to the community in whatever way that you can. There's no idea that is not worth discussing or sharing. Really generating the participation and the content is what is going to make this valuable. So again, we encourage you to not only sign on, but to share your ideas, to share that interesting document that you just got from a conference that you thought would be worthwhile. Share that interesting article that you just read. You know, share the insight that you have gained from years and years of working in the field. From that contribution, we hope to see real value through the network. So we are hopeful that you will see the value in the platform, and we really urge you to not only look for information that is of use, but to generate information that is of use. So this is a social networking platform, and that is to say that the value of the platform comes from your participation in it. Again, we thank you for your time and your energy, and we hope to see you online.
So the first thing that you want to do to get access to Networks for Purpose is make sure that you're using one of the approved browsers. So that's Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. All of those browsers support the full function of the platform. If you're on a Mac and you're using Safari, then you'll be able to log on, but you're going to have a limited experience. So we really recommend using one of the approved browsers. I'm using Google Chrome right now. To get to the platform, I type in networksforpurpose.org, and this brings me to the public landing page. And so this public landing page, you don't have to be signed in to access. It tells you a little bit about the platform and gives people an opportunity to request to join the platform if you're not already a member, and for people to donate to support the platform. So I'm just going to hit this orange sign in button, and my sign in info is already saved by my browser, but you'd type your username here and then your password here. And I click yes, keep me signed in, because this is my computer. Nobody else accesses it. If you're on a public machine, I wouldn't click yes, keep me signed in. In addition to the desktop app, we have complete, fully functional mobile app. You just sign in the same way. The app is called EXO Platform, so EXO. And you can download it in the Google Play Store. Android, Apple devices all support this app. First, connect it to networksforpurpose.org, load it. It sends you to the home page, just like on the desktop app. And then you sign in using the same username and password. And then you can see after you sign in, you'll see the same things you see when you log in to the desktop, in addition to all the lobby level locations and base level locations. The first thing you want to do when you log into Networks for Purpose is go to your user profile. So that's available here in this top right corner. When you load your profile, you'll want to edit all of your contact information. So you can add your email, your phone number, Skype or Zoom or any other mode of communication that you use, your website, your LinkedIn. You can add your experience, including your current role, the skills that you use, which is searchable throughout the whole platform. You can add a bio, a link to your LinkedIn profile. You can upload your photo, a cover photo, and you can edit your name. You'll also be able to see a stream of your recent activity represented here. In order to make any edits to your profile, make sure you click the edit button just to the right of your profile picture and underneath your name. And all of the available fields will then show up. So you can here edit your bio, your about me text, your contact information. You can add your past experience. So role by role, you can include as many past positions or current positions as you'd like. And then you hit save and return to the profile view. The next thing that you want to do after you've updated your profile is change your password, which you'll do by going to this top right-hand corner, selecting account, selecting change password, and you'll type in your current password here, and then add your new password. Confirm it once before you hit save. When you first log in, you'll see this lobby page, and everyone who's a member of the platform can access this page, any of these other pages here on the side. But the beauty of the platform is we also have private spaces or groups. And so because I'm an administrator, you can see a number of different groups here, but you will be a member of just your specific group. Everything that's available on the lobby level is public. Everyone can see it. You can see all the different members listed here. You could participate in editing the wiki of definitions. There are a number of documents and resources that are public and that you can access. There's a marketplace where you can post, requests for services, offers for services, or just general help if you're seeking information of some kind. There's a public calendar, which shows any public events hosted by Spaces anywhere on the platform. There's information on, other organizations and networks. There's training resources that are public here. Those will be coming online shortly. They're accessible through this tab. And then, of course, importantly, there is the community help tab, which you can use to learn about all these different features of being a member of the platform. So again, this is all lobby level information, which means it's public. As long as you're a member of the platform, you can see it. And then when we get down here into the spaces, that's more private. So let's say I'm going to go to the Kachi space, and within the space, you can kind of share different posts. If there's a new piece of information or an article that's interesting that you think would support the work of your colleagues, you can share that here. You could share files. The spaces have their own private forums, so like their own private marketplace, like we have here at the lobby level, their own wiki, their own documents folder, their own calendar. So it's basically everything that you can do on the platform at the public level, you can also do privately inside for your group. So say you have a series of recurring calls or webinars within that are just available for your team or your group that you're collaborating with, you would add that to this private calendar here, and it would be available for everyone in your space to see and access. And then on the public level, if you wanted to create a series of webinars or a call or an event that you wanted to invite everyone on the platform to, you would do so here in this calendar view. Networks for Purpose provides a platform for communicating and collaborating in a number of different ways. So at the space level and at the lobby level, there's an activity stream, which will give you, updates on whatever's going on in your group. You can use this to share, updates, ask for support, share resources. Another great way that Networks for Purpose supports communication is through Jitsi, which is a free video call service very similar to Zoom, but it's open source, so anyone can participate without a Zoom account. And it has all the same functions, dial-in, telephony, screen share, call recording, etc., but is able to be used by anyone. There's a bit of information here about setting up video calls through Jitsi, but that automatically is integrated within the platform. Another way you can communicate with one another through the platform is through chat. So I'll open my chat window now. And you can see here that I have a number of different chats open. So people, one-to-one. I have rooms, which are just customized groups that I've created. So say you're in sort of a sub-team within your space, or you're working with people who are members of other groups. We've created an admins group chat, for example. There's also a space level chat. So you can see here, Kachi, the Northern California ACEs initiative, Phil, all of those are spaces that I'm a member of right now because I'm an admin, and I can chat automatically everybody who's a member of that space. Then there's favorites, so people that I chat with frequently. And so what happens when I send a chat, which I can do again from desktop or from mobile, is that I get a little notification. And so I recommend getting the app set up on your phone, and enabling notifications. So anytime somebody chats you with a new resource or with a question, you'll be able to be notified immediately. You can also change your notification preferences based on your desktop. You can do this again separately on the mobile app. And you can also change your status to away or do not disturb, and that'll have different implications, on the notifications that you receive. You can easily create a new task, a new event, a poll, a discussion, upload a file, or edit to a wiki page right here from this main menu. The entire platform is searchable. This search result will display anything that you have permission to view. So that means any content from your spaces that you're a member of, any content from the lobby level, all of that will be available for view here in the search bar.
Now that you have some understanding for how the platform works, remember that as a social networking platform, it is only as good as it is used by its members. So the value of the site comes from your participation in it. There are a number of ways that we are encouraging your participation. First is at the lobby level. Now remember that the lobby is not only for your particular initiative, but it's for all of the initiatives that are on the platform. So information shared here is going to reach a larger audience. So when we look at what's available at the lobby level, at Movers and Shakers, you can actually see who's on the platform. The wiki is basically an opportunity to create documents, policies collectively, and actually get others' input on the ideas and information that you're presenting. Documents are any document that you feel would be of value that you are getting through your research, whether it's a new policy initiative that you've learned about. As you can see, it's an open slate. We were just beginning the process of documenting and uploading information. So we are very keen on getting whatever it is that you are able to provide. In terms of the marketplace is basically an opportunity for you to outline what services you need, what services you have to offer, what information or question that you are running into in your work. So this is an opportunity to have direct interaction, again, not just with the people in your initiative, but all of the people that are on the platform. So those are the areas at the lobby level that we would really encourage your participation. In terms of your site, if you were to go into your site, now this site is actually, again, just for people that are within your initiative. And so if you look at the opportunities for participating, there's many. First of all, you can give us a status update. What are you working on right now? What new meeting did you just go to that you think is of importance or would provide some insight for the colleagues that you are collaborating with? There are also forum threads. And on the forum threads, you're essentially, again, starting a topic on areas related to your work that you think that the people within your group would be interested in talking about and or listening to what you have to say. So this is an opportunity for you to have a collective discussion. We also have an opportunity for you to upload the documents, and these are all, again, very similar to what was available at the lobby level, but these are just specific to your initiative. So here is where you're going to see documents that are uploaded by your program administrators and meeting minutes and that sort of thing. So this is the area where you're going to have a document sharing function with the folks that are in your initiative. All of this, I just want to underscore again, is intended to create an environment where in one place you are able to connect with and resource the information that's being provided in your program. Now, while having this on the laptop, on the desktop is helpful, it is particularly helpful when there is a mobile platform, so that you are right in the meeting and you're able to kind of say to your group, hey, I just learned about this new initiative, we should really look into it. You can go right to your mobile platform and do a quick upload. Again, the more dynamic the environment, the better value that you're all going to receive. So we are working hard to make this as user-friendly as possible.